So everyone, this is a product review on Fanxiang solid state drive. So its capacity is 256 gig. So you see the specifications. Okay, so we'll have to open this. See, let's see what's inside. So here is the inside of the Fanxiang. So yeah, there is a manual, as you can see, and the product. So a bit disappointed because I thought there were screws for this solid state drive for its placement. So maybe so no, there's no another previous. So I think this is the only drive that has no free screwdrivers and screws. So okay, so maybe I will upload another video for this one when it is used in my computer. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.